GitHub just announced that you can now disable repository-level GitHub Actions self-hosted runners. What does this actually mean, and why did they do that? First, let's talk about repository creation. When you create a repository in GitHub Enterprise, you create it in a namespace, either an organization namespace or a user namespace. For example, let's say you have an organization called org1, and my user is Mickey. When I go to create a repository, I can either create it as org1/myRepoName or Mickey/myRepoName. When you install GitHub Actions self-hosted runners, you can do it at one of three levels: Enterprise, Organization, or Repository. Here's the catch when it comes to repository-level self-hosted runners. If I install a repository-level self-hosted runner in the repository in my user namespace, organization admins have no visibility into that. Unless they are closely monitoring, say, the audit log, they won't know that I've created a self-hosted runner. And I may not have created the runner to my company's security specifications, which means I could potentially be opening a security hole. This is why customers have been asking for the ability to turn off repository-level runners. Once you enable this setting, users will no longer be able to register new self-hosted runners in a repository, and existing runners will not be able to receive new jobs. So, how do we go about disabling self-hosted runners at the repository level? Start off by going to the Settings tab of your organization. Click Actions, then select General, and under the Runners section, choose your preferred setting. All repositories. Self-hosted runners can be installed for any repository in the organization. Selected repositories. Self-hosted runners can be installed only for repositories you select. And disabled. Self-hosted runners can't be installed at the repository level. If you choose selected repositories, you can then select the repositories for which you want to allow the installation of self-hosted runners. Now remember, when creation of repository-level self-hosted runners is disabled, workflows can still access self-hosted runners that have been set up at the enterprise or organization level. And there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how you can disable repository-level self-hosted runners. If so, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and smash that bell to be notified of my next video. Thanks for watching!